Here at the Institute for Molecular Bioscience, we dare to imagine a world where treatments are personalized to suit everyone's unique genetic makeup, which means more effective treatments with fewer side effects. That will be a game changer. DNA is both a source of enormous variation, but there's a lot of structure because we have been able to identify specific mutations where we know exactly this is doing this and that. So it's essentially this combination of chaos and order that I get to discover every day, and that's the motivation for me. If you take two people randomly in the street, they will share more than 99.9% of their DNA sequence. But yet they will look different, sound different, and more importantly, they will not be susceptible to the same disease. With my lab, what we're trying to address is to find what are the reasons why this relatively small variation in DNA sequence of individuals can manifest in all observable phenotypes and traits between people and even within families. Once we have insights into that process, we can think differently about ways to design drugs or to prevent the disease, essentially knowing the genetic makeup of a person and the environment in which they live. The relative importance of genes over the environment varies from disease to disease between, say, 10 to 80%. Being able to quantify how much the genes and the environment interact is important, in particular, to design which intervention we can implement. The majority of studies that have been conducted so far are biased towards individuals of European ancestries. And I think this was somewhat surprising to many people in our community and field. Life expectancy is increasing. We have a burden of chronic diseases and a lot of late onset diseases. And that's something we have to manage as a society.